Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Non-farm payrolls surge in September as unemployment dips to 4.1%, while the tech industry braces for potential fallout from the Helene catastrophe. Spirit Airlines shares plummet amid bankruptcy fears, and United Healthcare takes legal action against Medicare over star ratings. Ubisoft stock rises on speculation of a takeover bid by Tencent and the Guillemot family, while CrowdStrike maintains stability with Microsoft, according to TD Cowen. UMB plans to refile a $6.4 billion lawsuit against Bristol-Myers next week, and Tellurian sees gains after CFIUS approves its sale to Woodside Energy. Meanwhile, Mullen Automotive announces a secondary resale of common stock filing. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth look at these stories and more. In September, U.S. non-farm payrolls rose by 254,000, exceeding the forecast of 132,500. The unemployment rate dropped to 4.1%. Average hourly earnings went up by 0.4%, a bit less than August's rise. The labor force participation rate stayed at 62.7%. A port strike concluded with dockworkers accepting a tentative agreement that includes a notable wage increase.
Spruce Pine, North Carolina, known for the world's purest quartz essential for semiconductors, is experiencing indefinite production halts due to Hurricane Helene. Existing stockpiles might prevent immediate disruption in the industry. However, if infrastructure repairs take longer than a month, global supply could be affected.
Spirit Airlines shares have reached a new low due to bankruptcy concerns after reports of talks with creditors. The airline faces $3.3 billion in debt and an upcoming refinancing deadline, struggling against competition and increasing costs. As Spirit stock falls, competitors like JetBlue and Frontier experience notable gains with improving industry conditions.
United Healthcare is taking legal action against the Medicare Advantage star rating system, arguing that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services have unfairly downgraded their ratings. They are seeking revised ratings before October 15. Other insurers, including Humana, are also challenging the rating calculations before CMS's final decision on October 10.
Ubisoft shares jumped 21% after reports that Tencent Holdings and the Guillemot family might pursue a takeover. Ubisoft's market value has dropped by half this year. Tencent holds 9.2% of voting rights, and the Guillemot family has 20.5%. Additionally, Ubisoft delayed Assassin's Creed Shadows, affecting its stock performance.
CrowdStrike is bouncing back from July's outage. Analysts report no significant customer loss, and Microsoft is expected to continue its partnership. TD Cowen believes it will take 2 more quarters to evaluate renewal potential. CrowdStrike shares have risen above $280, with analysts giving a buy rating and setting a price target of $380.
UMB Financial intends to refile a $6.4 billion lawsuit against Bristol-Myers Squibb concerning contingent value rights from its acquisition of Celgene. This decision comes after a New York court dismissed the case due to an improper trustee appointment for the rights holders. The initial lawsuit was filed in June 2021.
Tellurian stock increased by 1.6% after hours following U.S. national security approval for its sale to Australia's Woodside Energy. The Committee on Foreign Investment approved the deal, which is expected to close Tuesday. Shareholders have also agreed to the $1.2 billion acquisition, including Tellurian's Driftwood LNG project.
Mullen Automotive has filed a preliminary prospectus with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for the resale of 30 million shares of common stock by selling shareholders. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights shaping the financial world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.